store is officially open. It's time to experience it for yourselves. Kaya naman with me is Platinum's Karaoke's brand manager. Can we give a big hand for Ma'am Bianca Chidoro? Malakpan naman natin Ma'am Bianca. And before we dive deep, Miss Bianca, ayan, may we hear a quick story lang po kung paano nga ba nabuo yung napakagandang concept store na to.
So the idea of the Platinum Karaoke concept store really started with one thing: to bring the Platinum full experience for each and every one of us. So for 25 years, people know for our products, but we wanted to create a space where customers could see, hear, and most especially feel the real essence of karaoke singing.
Ayun. Thank you, Mama. At isa nakakatawa talaga dati nung seeing yung gusto ng customer nila, kaya ibinibigay nyo. And Ma'am Bianca, I'm so excited, and as well as our guests, na i-explore pa kasi napakaraming dito corners na I'm sure meron kayong gustong i-share about it. So for us to experience the innovation, ayan na, it's time to take a tour around this impressive space. So Miss Bianca, please do the honor. Ano po ba ang ating mga look forward once we visit?
So CJ, over here, we have our wide selection of karaoke orders. So we have our DVD times, our lunch TV time, and then our SD time.
So dito po yung inyong mga most products dito nila makikita.
Yes, pero may gusto talaga akong i-introduce sa inyo. This is our flagship karaoke, which is our Alpha 2, our hybrid karaoke player. So, why is this so special? It carries a DreamSound 5716 synthesizer. It is a high-performance MIDI synthesizer and effect processor, custom built and dedicated sound module just for the unit.
Grabe naman yun. Parang imagine mo, may nagpapa-concert experience ka using the Platinum Alpha 2.
You know, CJ, that's not all.
That's it all.
Oh, kasi this boasts our top functions and features. So, it got video recording, Sing With Me, which is a duet video recording. So, mag-enjoy kang may kasama.
Grabe. So, perfect din to for mga nag-do ng vlogs, di ba?
Yes.
Mga gustong mag-record ng kanilang performances. Wow.
At hindi lang yun. It also has a feature of
Napakaganda.
Pro Score. You know what's Pro Score? Pro Score is a fun-way gamification wherein your score is given through pitch and timing of melody.
Ayun.
So, sobrang daming features na lang to.
Sobrang dami talagang features na ilo-look forward dito sa Alpha 2. And aside from that, ano pa po yung mga magaganda ditong spots sa ating concept store?
So, you know, ang dami kong gustong i-highlight kay Alpha 2 eh. Not only its features, also yung song updates niya. It's so easy, so convenient. You can easily access from our server.
Ayun na, ang dami talagang features na gustong i-highlight ni Ma'am.
Yes, oo.
Basta, check out Alpha 2. Kasi,
check it out.
Oo, di ba?
And dream of Alpha 2.
Tama. And I think, very naman yun na yan. And aside from Alpha 2, Ma'am, ano pa yung ating mga products na pwede natin i-highlight?
So, beside our Alpha 2 is the newest addition to our karaoke model. So, this is our Piano 4K. So, kung ano yung meron kay Alpha 2, meron din kay Piano 4K. So, this carries our new UI system. And at the same time, as the name suggests, it supports Piano 4K video resolution.
Perfect for musicians din, no?
Yes.
Piano 4K. Yun ang maganda actually, no? You can record your performance once na ginagamit mo itong Platinum. And, ano ba pong ating mga...
So basically, this area, this is our one na pwede kang mag-test and
try.
We have this, our amplifier, our boss amplifier, together with our 8310. So with our 8310, when mixed together, they sound perfectly good. So the quality it produces, it's perfect.
As in, kasi dito do...
As in, you'll have your full karaoke setup.
Yun. Ito yung ating demo zone.
Yes, this one.
So, they can test out the premium karaoke systems and discover advanced audio features. Katulad nung sinabi ni Ma'am Bianca, the Alpha 2 and yung Piano 4K. Ilan lang po yan sa mga products na pwede nyong i-test dito sa demo zone. Kasi itong, I think, syempre, special yung design ng store na to. So, pag napakinggan nila talaga dito yung, yung voice nila, the speakers, maganda yung talaga, as in outcome. Kasi nasa concept store tayo eh.
Yes, it's specifically made for your own karaoke mix. So, another thing, CJ, CJ, I want to share with everyone then na all of our karaoke models is got 23,000 OSM, OPM, and English built-in songs.
Yun!
So talagang wala kang hahanapin endless song choices.
All the trending songs, di ba? Yung mga bagong mga tracks.
And one more thing, we have our very own Platinum Link app where you can use this app. So here, so we have our very own Platinum Link app where you can use this app as your remote control, songbook. You can also use this as your monitor for the lyrics. And the best part of this, no internet connection needed. So,
Ay!
only kantahan kasi.
Yun ang maganda. Para anytime, anywhere. No?
Singing.
No need for internet connection.
Yes. So anytime, anywhere, unlimited karaoke with Platinum Link app.
Yun, yung app, ay, download kayo mamaya.
Yes, you better have.
Yes, Ma'am Bianca. And aside sa ating demo zone, of course, syempre, ito naman yung unang pupuntahan ng ating mga customers dito para matry nila yung mga products na diniscuss ni Ma'am Bianca. And aside sa mga highlight talaga namin, napakadaming variety ng products dito. And also, Ma'am, ano naman tong ating KTV room? Dito ako na-curious eh.
Pero before that, CJ, can I show you
I'm
some
sure,
of the
Ma'am.
area of our
Na-excite lang kasi ako kasi mahilig talaga ako pag-KTV.
So over here, we have our wide selection of microphones. So we do have our UHF microphones, our wired microphones that will last you a long time, as well as our portable microphones. So wherever you are, talagang may perfect microphone for you. So kung ano man ang microphone fix mo, andito lahat siya sa Platinum Concept Store.
Ako mukhang hanap ako for ano naman, for MC, ganun.
We have that.
Anong suggestion, Ma'am?
We have that. We all have your fix. Tulad nito gamit natin
Ayan.
is Platinum.
Kaya ang ganda ng quality. And yun na nga, after ng microphones naman, ano po yung next, Ma'am?
So on this area, we have our soundbar. So this is part of our home audio. So we have the M10. So we have our M10 and then the E200, which is a 5.1.2 channel soundbar. And yeah, we have that one. We have here a subwoofer and then our XM200, which is a cross-media speaker. So it's your all-in-one speaker na din. So everything for your fix, we have it here at Platinum Karaoke Concept Store.
If they want the movie experience na parang nasa movie ka talaga, ito po yung
Cinematic
quality.
surround sound.
Cinematic surround sound. Take note.
Over here, sorry, I'm really giving a tour of the whole experience for our concept store. So over here, it's our over here we have our portable jukeboxes. So it's more than just a speaker. Bakit? It's more than just a speaker because it got 23,000 OPM English songs built in din. So hindi lang siya speaker. Karaoke mo din siya.
Pwedeng 2-in-1 na.
Yes, that's what sets apart from us from these speakers. So over these areas, so that's our partition boxes, and over this area is part of our expansion line. So these are the lifestyle audio. So it's our portable, compact and easy, convenient product. So we have this, our clip Bluetooth main speaker. So it's very small. And then our Apollo, and Apollo series. And then what's nice about this is, that's the function all you need. So this is a 2WS. So when you have two of this, then you can create your left and south channel speakers.
Ayan, I think marami po talagang dapat i-look forward na explore dito. But, ayan, yung ating next na pupuntahan po, ang Bianca is?
So, eto na. This is the best part of this CJ. So, we are the first karaoke brand to have a very first experience. So let me tour you here, CJ.
Ayan, ma'am, yun yung tinatanong ko kasi nga po, mahilig talaga akong KTV. Opo.
So dito, you will really experience the quality of sound, product, and music that Platinum Karaoke produces.
Ayun.
So you can enjoy and feel, immerse yourself with the quality of it.
Opo eh. Para talagang film. Ano ba dito, ma'am? May schedule?
Wala! So anytime you feel your karaoke fix, go and try some of the karaoke products we have.
Ayun. So I think we can actually discuss more about this. Ano ba bang anything you want to add before po tayo mag-proceed sa ating question and answer sa ating friends from the media?
I want them to enjoy. Go visit our store and enjoy our experience zone. So you will have the real experience to having the quality of sound product and songs that we offer.
There you have it. Once again, let's give it up for Ma'am Bianca. Thank you so much for touring us sa ating concept store.